Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a little bit different. Okay, this actually tastes just like the Starbucks drink. I am going to be making the iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. Oh, that is a mouthful. By Starbucks. You've probably tried it, and if you haven't tried it, pause this video, go to Starbucks, grab one, drink it, and then continue watching. Oh my gosh, this drink, usually like the featured Starbucks drinks, I'm like, they're okay. This drink though, hits differently. It's so good, and I am going to be making it at home today. Disclaimer, you do need an espresso machine for the recipe that I'm gonna be making, but if you want, you can just make like a strong cup of coffee. So yeah, come along, I will show you how to make it. It's very simple, very easy. It'll take you less than 5 minutes. All right, as you can tell, I've already changed because I was a little scared to be wearing the white jacket. Knowing me, I probably would have stained it in this process of cooking, I don't know, baristaing. So we're gonna start off with making the brown sugar syrup. I think it's gonna be really easy. I found a recipe online. All it calls for is brown sugar, ground cinnamon, water, and vanilla extract. Easy, everything you have in your kitchen already. Okay, we're gonna start with 4 tablespoons of lightly packed brown sugar. So I'm going to, okay, this is 1 tablespoon. I got my brown sugar. I feel like such a chef right now. Okay. I'm trying not to like make this go everywhere. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we need half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I really like cinnamon. I'll probably actually do more just because it's just so yummy. Actually, no, we're gonna stick to the recipe. We're gonna give her a try because I think we actually top it with cinnamon at the end. I've actually never made this before, so we're doing this together. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. We'll just do the vanilla now because the water is like over there. Okay, ingredients are in the pot, and now I'm reading the directions. Add ingredients and heat to medium high. Since I'm a multitask kind of girl, while it's cooking, I'm gonna put this away back into the baking. Actually, I'm gonna keep this up. I'm gonna keep this up for later to like top it off, you know? Okay, I think I let it like boil too much. So I'm just gonna keep stirring and like, I hope it turns out good. I'm sure it will. Okay, this is, I think I'm just gonna like leave it on simmer for a little bit. It actually looks like it's all dissolved. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna take it off the heat. I think it's fine. All right, next we are gonna work on the espresso shots. I actually don't have any blonde espresso in the house at the moment. We are just using this coffee, Salt Spring Coffee, organic, fair trade. It's a dark roast. I think it's from Costco actually. I would use an espresso, but it's not here right now. So we're gonna use my mom's coffee espresso machine. Really easy to use. But if you don't have an espresso machine, don't fret. You can just make like a really strong cup of coffee. Like make like half a cup. It'll be perfect. You don't need it, but it's helpful to have the martini shaker. I am going to just fill it with ice. 1 second. All right, now filled with ice. I'm going to place it under the espresso machine. Yeah, espresso, nice. Okay, we're actually gonna do 2 espresso shots. I like it stronger, it's up to you. And while our espresso is brewing, I'm gonna go into our fridge, and I am using oat milk. If you don't like oat milk, you can use honestly any other kind of milk. Oh my gosh, this oat milk, it's from Costco. I don't know how much it costed. My mom bought it. Thanks, Mom. My espresso is done brewing. It's nice and icy. We're gonna take the mason jar and we're gonna fill it with some more ice. We're gonna take our espresso shots. We are gonna take 3 tablespoons, depending on how sweet you like it, into our espresso shots. Starbucks would do about 3, because I know they do about 3 to 4 pumps. So I'll put that in there. And now we're gonna shake it. So I never actually drink out of mason jars. I'm just doing it for the aesthetic of the video. I'll probably cut that out. Oh guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have my, ooh, it smells so good. My brown sugar syrup and my espresso. Wow, satisfying. I'm gonna go viral with this one. Okay, now that we have this in here, I'm gonna add the oat milk. Okay, this is kind of depressing how big this mason jar is. I'm really excited to try this. Okay guys, real reaction time. I sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on there. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. This, you guys, I can't even believe how good this tastes. It's a little sweet. I think I'm gonna add another espresso shot because just to make it a little less sweet. I'm gonna be buzzing, but it's fine. Yep, other than that though, so good. Okay, second reaction time with the 3rd espresso shot. Okay, this actually tastes just like the Starbucks drink now. Wow, this is so good. I'm gonna finish this by the time I'm like done recording this little video. So there you have it guys. I'm gonna list the recipe down below that I used for the brown sugar. Honestly, use as much oat milk as you like. I used 3 espresso shots in here. I think it's perfect. Also, my espresso machine might be different from yours at home, so keep that in mind as well. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Comment down below what you want me to make next. I'm so into this. Until next time. Okay, look at this cute little jar I found. I'm gonna put the rest of my brown sugar syrup in it. I should have made more honestly because I'm gonna be drinking these a lot.